Okay, my friends, you just finished watching the fire prevention video. Now we're going to have some fun and draw a picture. Today we're going to draw a picture of a house. So let's think of some shapes that a house could be. I know one shape. A house could be a square. Now I know some of you are thinking, I can't draw a square, but I will show you. You're going to find the middle of your paper, and in that paper you're going to draw one line coming down, just like that, and you're stopping. You're not going to go all the way to the edge. Then across the bottom, you're going to draw another line going straight as you can. Might be a little wobbly, but that's okay. And then you're going to stop there. Then you're going to look for the first line you drew, and you're going to bring your finger right over, and you're going to stop somewhere around there. So let's start at the bottom and draw a line up, and we're going to stop right there. Now I'm going to go across the top, and I'm going to meet up with that line. And there you have it. You have a square on your paper. Now, what type of shape is the top of the house? That's right, it's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. We already have one side here. What I want you to do next is to put a dot right up at the top of the paper, just like that. See my dot? Good. Now I'm going to go to this corner of my square, and I'm going to draw a straight line to that dot, just like this. Excellent. Now I'm going to go back to that dot, and I'm going to draw a straight line to this corner. Try your best. Try your best to draw a straight line, but if you don't, that's okay. All right, pause the video to see if you got what your picture looks like mine. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to draw a chimney. We're going to draw a chimney. You can pick either side of your house to draw a chimney. What shape is a chimney? That's right. A chimney is a rectangle. So I'm going to draw just like I drew my square. I'm going to draw a line going up like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go over a little bit, just a little bit, because I want to try to even it up with my side. And then I'm going to come down just like that. Bring my chimney down. That's all right if it didn't meet up. It's okay. Sometimes chimneys come all the way down the back of the house. Okay, stop the video or pause the video so that students can do their chimney. Okay, we're back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw our door. What shape is our door? That's right, our door is a rectangle, just like our chimney. And we already have part of our bottom of the door. So what we're going to do is we're going to start somewhere around the middle of our paper, of our house, I should say. And we're going to draw a line going straight down, just like that. Now we already have this side, so however wide you want to make your door, you're going to draw a line at the top and stop. And then draw a straight line going down. Now, if your line isn't straight, that's okay. It could be a wobbly door, it could be a very abstract door, but that's fun. That's why we love to draw. Okay, pause the video, make sure that you have your square, house, door, chimney, and roof. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to draw 2 windows. What shape are windows? That's right, they are squares. Just like we drew the square of our house, we're going to draw the squares of our windows, but they're going to be smaller. So I'm going to draw a small line there. Small line, go back up. There you go. There's one window. Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Draw a line down, stop, over, up, and then back over. There's my 2 squares for my house. Now, my windows need to have something in the middle of them. That's right. They are going to be 2 lines in the middle, 1 line in the middle, and then a line going across. So 2 lines to make it look like a house window. Okay. Can I get into my house? No, I cannot. I need to have a doorknob. So I'm going to put a little circle. All right. Pause the video to make sure students have all of these items. Okay, we're back. All right, next I'm going to draw a line behind the house. This is called the horizontal line. This is what separates the sky from the grass. Okay, so I'm going to draw my line here, stopping at the house. And I'm going to bring my finger over, and I'm going to start right back over here. Try your best, okay? All right, next I need to draw a tree. Oh, I'm going to draw my tree right over here. And I'm going to stop on, what was this line called again? That's right, the horizon line. I'm going to draw a line going down on one side. And I'm going to draw a line on the other side going like that. Perfect. If your tree trunk does not look like mine, that's okay. Okay, it's fine. I love the different trees. Next, I'm going to draw clouds. It's like a cloud, but it's going to be the puff of the tree. And it's just squiggly lines going like this on your paper. And then meeting there. That's all it is. Looks like a big puffy cloud. But it's a tree. Okay, next what we're going to do, I need a little walkway. I'm going to fill my space here. So I'm going to do a little walkway, just a little curvy line. All right. And if you'd like, boys and girls, your chimney, you can do some squiggly line with your crayon, and you can have some smoke coming out of your chimney. All right, now it's time to color. If we don't get to finish this today, that's okay. Okay, when you're coloring, make sure you color your grass green, your sky blue. You can color your tree any color. Trunk brown. House can be colored any color. So this is where we get our crayons. And if you want to add more details, like put yourself in your picture, you can. I'm going to color my walkway black. So I got my black crayon out. Okay. All right, here's my grass color, green. I'm going to quickly color my grass green. You see how I did over the line? Color, try to get all those white spots. I know it can be hard, but try to color in all those white spots. I'm going to go on the other side here, color in my grass, and while I have my green crayon, I think I'm going to color in my tree. Oh, yep, I'm coloring my tree. Looking good. Trying to cover all my white spots. Coloring that in. Okay, now my tree trunk is going to be brown. So I'm going to quickly color that in. Okay. Oh, this is the fun part. Let me dump some of my crayons so I can see them. Okay. Now my windows, I'm going to color in my house now. Oh, nope. I'm going to color in my house. I'm going to color in my windows. Yellow. To make it look like the lights are on. Don't forget to color in your sky. Oh, I know I have a light blue somewhere. Where's my light blue? Do you see my light blue? Oh, there it is. I'm going to color in my sky. So I'm going to start at the bottom here. This line that I drew, this horizon line, I'm going to draw that. start there and color up. Going around my house. Going around my tree. There you go. Now I'm going to color in my house. I'm going to color in my house my favorite color, purple. Make a purple house. Going around my door, make sure I go around my windows. Color in my windows. Trying my best to make sure I cover all that white. I know it's hard. It's a big piece of paper to color in. I'm going to color in my door pink. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to color in my doorknob. Oh, I'm going to make that. What color? I think I'll do like a darker purple there, or a bluish purple. This is actually, I think, called blue. Yep. And then I'm going to color in my door pink. There we go. Color in my door pink. There you go. My roof, I'm going to do brown, a light tannish brown color. And then I have my chimney. What colors are chimneys? That's right. Chimneys are red. So I'm going to get my red crayon and I'm going to color in my chimney. Okay, there you have it, boys and girls. There is your picture. Okay, may not look like mine, but as long as you did your best. Okay, I hope you have a good, fun day.